factory reset AirPods Pro 3, first of all, you will have to make sure that you input both AirPods inside that charging case and that you have charged it for at least 5 minutes to get enough battery to perform that reset. Now we have to also make sure that you have opened that cover and this reset button is hidden under this indicator. So what you have to do is just double tap, and double tap. For each double tap, you can hear notification, the sound notification, and now this indicator will turn red, which means that we successfully performed the factory reset. And now, as you can see, it will start blinking white, which means that we are in the pairing mode automatically. If it is not working for some reason, you will have to make sure that you have closed it and open it one more time, and now start tapping quickly after you just open this case. Because if you wait a little bit longer, for like 10 or 15 seconds, it's not gonna work. So we have to make sure that you close it, open, and now immediately start tapping over here. Just like that. And as you can see now, it is working. Thanks for watching.